Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete account on Google Authenticator, right? So first of all, just go to the Google Authenticator here, right? And let me search it. So now I am right into the Google Authenticator. Now here you can see that this is a test which I have made it just to show you the tutorial. So how you can delete an account on Google Authenticator. So to do it, it's very easy. You have to just click and hold. Once you click and hold, let me show you. Just click and hold, you will get this pencil icon. Just go to the pencil icon here, right? Now you have to just go back. Once you go back, do the same thing, click and hold, and you will get this dash icon, which is on the top right side icon, right? So here you will get this option of removing this account will remove your ability to generate codes. However, it will not turn off two-factor authentication, right? So make sure you have a different way to log in into the account, right? So once you know it, just click on remove account. After that, the account will get removed very easily. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.